Deep cleaning your top loader is actually very simple. Join me today as I share with you the steps you can take to have a clean and mildew-free washing machine. Top loaders are not that much different than front loaders. However, there are a few different steps that you have to take. So, step 1, you will want to use hot water. Set your washer to the max soil level and the largest load possible for your wash cycle. Let the washer fill up with water and then add a quart of vinegar. Turn the washing machine back on for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, letting the water thoroughly mix the vinegar in, and then let it sit. Step 2, you've just turned your machine off and it's full of water. This is a good thing. This water and vinegar mixture, you're going to want to let it sit in your washer for at least 2 hours to kill all the mildew and the mold and get rid of any of those smells. After about 2 hours, go ahead and turn your cycle back on and let it complete. After the cycle is complete, go ahead and run a rinse cycle just to ensure all the vinegar is out of your washing machine. Step 3, remove the soap, bleach, and fabric softener dispensers. Go ahead and just wash them in the sink with some warm soapy water, rinse, dry them off, and then replace. Step 4, grab a soft cotton cloth, vinegar, or a vinegar cleaner. You're going to wipe down the outside of your washing machine, the front, the back, the sides, the door, all of it. You're going to want to wipe everything down on the outside of your washing machine just to ensure that it's clean. A small tip that I want to share with you is to always check your owner's manual and follow their suggestions. Some washers have like a self-cleaning mode, and that's already built in. You may want to run your self-cleaning first before you complete a deep cleaning or any other cleaning in your washer. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for daily DIY cleaning and organization videos. Also, share this video with your friends. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow.